my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn step by step on how to create 3D digital images like this using Bing AI for free step-by-step tutorial without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you love AI content like this, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post a valuable content about AI topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to create 3D images like this using Bing AI tool without any stress. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your browser. Then you come to the top right here, and what you need to do is to type in Bing and press enter. Then click on the first result right here, bing.com. This is going to pump out. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on images. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create. Now the next thing you want to do is that you need to come and click on join and create. Then click on sign in. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create with any email or Gmail or phone. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on create one. So right here, there are different options you can use to create a free account with Microsoft. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then right here, enter your name. So after having entered your username, you come here, choose the option, is that Outlook or Hotmail? So I'm going to leave it on outlook.com. Then I'm going to come here and click on next. So the email is already exist. So let me add 2024. Then Outlook, and click on next. So at this point here, we need to enter the login password. So you have to create your login password. So having entered your login password, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then click on got it. Then right here, you have to enter your first name, your last name, then click on next. Then choose your country right here and choose your date of birth. Then choose your year. Then come down below right here, click on next. Then the security question right here. So just click on next. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand 1 of 5. Okay. Then click on submit. So use the arrow to rotate the object to face the direction of the hand. So we can use this one. Then we click on submit. So the same options. So this one here, this one here. Then we click on submit. Then we can use this one right here. Okay, submit. So the very last one, so we can use this one right here. Good, submit. So verification complete. So we can click on signing to synchronize right here. Then enter your login password. Then click on sign in. Then click on next. Welcome back, friends. So after creating a free account with Microsoft Bing, so the next thing you want to do is to come to the column right here and type in your prompt. So I have my prompt already. I will just press Ctrl V to paste my prompt. You can also check the description of this video to get this particular tutorial prompt. After you paste in your prompt or you type in your prompt in the prompt column, next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the create button right here. So here you have it. So you can download all these image. For you to download all the image, the next thing you want to do is to click them one after the other. You can click on the first one right here. Then click on download right here. You can click on here to see the second image. Then you click on download. You can click on here to check on the third image. Then you click on download. Then you click on here to check on the last image. Then you click on download. Then we can click on this cross sign right here to go back to the home page and modify our prompt to see more example. Then right here, we can change the bulldog to another dog type. So I'm going to press Ctrl V. So I change the dog to Rottweiler dog puppet. Okay. Then I'm going to change the background to city background. So instead of forest, so I'm changing it to city, blur city background. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. Wow, this is beautiful. So we can download any of it. So I'm going to click on the first one right here. Then I'll click on download. It's as simple as that. For the prompt of this particular tutorial, check the description of this video. And for more AI tutorial content with prompt like this, consider to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.